Hello my friends, welcome back, and we are going to continue working with this Joomla website. Now first of all, we are going to create the left column. Well, we are not going to be actually creating the column, but we are going to be publishing modules inside the left module. Right now we are going to have these modules inside the right column, and on this case inside the right module. So we are going to go back and let's go to Extension and Module Manager. Inside here, as you can notice, you are going to have the right menu and the login form. First of all, we are going to change the name inside this login form. We are going to click in there and we are going to give the name right login form, and let's click Save and New. And then as you can see, we are going to have a new module login. We are going to click left login form, and then the position, well, the menu assignment will be inside all pages and everything else will remain the same. The only change you are going to do in here is change the position to the left position. Let's click Save and Close, and now we are going to copy this menu in here. We are going to click in there and then duplicate up here. Let's click on the duplicate module, and inside here we are going to change the name from right to left, and the position will be to the left position. Let's go back in here and click Save and Close. Something that I forgot is to enable this module, so I am just going to click in here, and as you can see we are going to have two modules inside the left position and two modules inside the right position. If we go back to the front page and click refresh, you are going to be able to see the left login form and the left menu. And at the same time, you are going to be able to see the right menu and the right login form. Now, why we are doing this? Because we are going to be building the main structure from this Joomla website. You are going to be able to create three columns. You are going to have the right column, the center column, and then the left column. For right now, that will be it inside the administrator, and let's go back to the CMS Teachings folder and open the index.php, right click and open with, and Komodo. Then we are going to go in there and we are going to indent right here everything inside the PHP discount modules. We are going to indent the divisions. Make a selection, indent. We are going to continue doing the same. Let's scroll down, the showcase, then the breadcrumb, the main content, the left column. Well, actually, yeah, the main content will be, you know what, let me backspace and Control C on my keyboard because the main content won't be indented. Let's continue with the left module, the right module, and at the end, the footer. Let's make a selection, and there you are. Now we are going to go to File and Save. Next, we are going to upload this file to the CMS Teachings folder. Let's go to Joomla 25, and then Templates. Going back to my left, CMS Teachings, and upload the new index.php with the changes. Let me go inside here, right click and upload. Click OK to replace, and there we are. Now what we are going to be creating inside these videos will be the SEO layout inside our website. Remember, we are going to create a 3-column layout, okay? So don't forget about that. So you are going to have the left column, then you are going to have the center column, and then the right column. If you remember when you took the on-page SEO training, let me go back in here. If you want to visit this page again, you can click down below inside on-page SEO Most blog, and you are going to get transferred to this page. This page basically will tell you what will be one of the best on-page SEO that you are going to be able to apply inside any website. The recommendation of this page will tell you that the headline, this one in here, should be closest to the top. At least that will be the best option that you can have. And then you will need to start having all the text right here, including with the images and all the keywords inside that text. Okay, so let me show you in here, because actually if you analyze the blog from this company, let me click on any page right now. Click in there, and then we are going to go inside the CSS developer tool. Let's click in the CSS, disable styles and all styles. Then if you analyze this page, you are going to be able to see the H1 closest to the top right here. Okay, these are going to be the H1. Now these guys are going to be using the H1 twice, but that will be their choice. You can also copy whatever the big companies are doing, but again, what we want to accomplish in here is that it does not really matter if you have the 3 columns in here, because the layout that we are going to be creating will have all the way to the top the H1 heading. Okay, and it won't really matter if the H1 will be inside the component. Okay, if for some reason you have the H1 inside the component, this component and with the layout that we are going to be creating, this H1 heading will be always to the top. And then what will happen with these columns is that when you deactivate the CSS, these columns are going to get moved all the way to the top. And that will happen, of course, without the CSS. Because normally what the search engines are going to scan will be the text. And that will be really important, because the search engines are not going to care about the layout, about the CSS. Now probably if you are confused at this moment, don't worry, because when you build the layout, I will get back to this so you can actually understand in a better way all this knowledge. Okay, for right now, my friends, that will be what we are going to be doing, and in the following video we are going to be creating this layout in here. And again, if you want to go back again and read everything again inside this page, you can do it, but for this video that will be it, and let's move on.